What up, all? A little quick review. Filler Customs. Highly recommend this company. Little mlok 3D printed shell holders. 3 and 6. They give you some gummy bears. It's always nice to get candy. Couple stickers. Thought were funny. Little plastic bags. Excellent. I got the 4571s. Have a couple lever gun reviews coming up. Rounds fit. I mean, super nice and tight. If you push them all the way down, they ain't going anywhere when you're walking through the woods. Excellent. Still playing with the adjustment up and down, but this is a Midwest Industries stock. They fit. Only issue is because you're not mounting it on an mlok like that. Mlok slot goes up and down. I had to file about a file's width off of here to fit nice and flush on the vertical rails for the mlok. This almost looks like it would clear if you use 2 3s, but why not just use a 6? But highly recommend. They are American made, North Carolina. I fully support the 3D printed companies. Just wanted to say, hey, excellent. We will have a review on the SBL, Ranger Point, changed around optics, nice little suede wrap. Peace out. Have a good day. They have all different calibers too, so 12 gauge, whatever you got, 44, 357. Excellent price point. Way cheaper than the Midwest Industries one. Took me about 2 minutes to make this thing fit perfect with a file. No big deal. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Other companies put candy and stickers in everything we buy.